Here are 15 shade-loving plants that transform north-facing apartment balconies into thriving urban gardens where other plants would fail. If you think limited sunlight means limited gardening options, you are about to discover why shade can actually be your secret advantage for container gardening. North-facing balconies receive only 2 to 4 hours of direct sunlight per day, with most light coming during the extended daylight hours from mid-March through June. While this might seem like a gardening challenge, experienced urban gardeners know better. Dr. Mike Arnold from Texas A&M Department of Horticultural Sciences explains that north-facing balconies often provide ideal conditions for lush, shade-loving plants like ferns, impatiens, begonias, and bleeding hearts. Here is what most container gardeners do not realize. Shade actually benefits potted plants. Even plants that prefer full sun in the ground perform better with some shade in containers. Since roots cannot dig deep for moisture and coolness like they would in garden beds, they appreciate relief from relentless sun. On scorching summer days, your shaded plants will not burn, colors remain more intense, and watering becomes less demanding. Let's start with the flowering champions of shade gardening. Impatiens, also called busy lizzies, are the workhorses of north-facing balconies. These remarkable plants bloom continuously from May through October in complete shade, producing vibrant flowers in shades of red, pink, coral, and orange. They're relatively maintenance-free and, depending on the variety, can even withstand strong thunderstorms. Just remember they are cold-sensitive, so wait until mid-May before planting and keep up with their high water needs. Begonias. Follow closely behind, preferring partial to full shade, where they bloom until October. Tuberous begonias are particularly spectacular, producing large, rose-like blooms in stunning oranges, reds, pinks, and whites. Wax begonias, also known as fibrous begonias, offer smaller but more abundant flowers and greater heat tolerance. The key with both types is avoiding waterlogged soil. They will reward proper drainage with months of continuous color. Fuchsias might be the most elegant shade dwellers of all. These plants actually hate full sun and prefer sheltered locations, making them perfect for north-facing balconies. Their exotic bell-shaped flowers dangle beautifully from trailing stems, creating a waterfall effect when grown in hanging baskets. Plant them individually in containers at least 10 inches in diameter. Water lightly 2 to 3 times a week and protect them from wind, which can damage their delicate blooms. Moving into the foliage, superstars, hostas reign supreme as the undisputed kings of shade gardening. These perennials offer incredible leaf diversity and structural impact, coming in a staggering range of sizes, colors, and textures. The American Hosta Society recognizes over 3,000 registered varieties, giving you endless options for your balcony design. One gardening expert notes that shaded balconies actually give you an advantage over most gardeners when growing hostas, since you won't battle the slugs and snails that typically plague these plants in damp garden beds. Choose pots at least 18 inches wide to prevent winter freeze damage. Coral bells, or heuchera, deserve recognition as another foliage superstar that pairs beautifully with hostas. These perennials offer colorful leaves in burgundy, lime green, purple, and silver, along with delicate flower spikes in summer. They are particularly valuable for adding year-round color interest, and they work wonderfully as edging plants in larger containers. Ferns deserve equal recognition as fantastic plants that love dark, damp spots. Most fern varieties prefer shade and can actually suffer leaf burn in full sunlight. Japanese painted fern, maidenhair fern, wood fern, and lady fern all thrive in containers, and they look stunning in hanging baskets where their fronds can cascade naturally. For dramatic foliage impact, consider caladiums with their heart-shaped leaves emerging in stunning combinations of green, pink, and white. These ornamental plants excel in full to partial shade, and they add tropical flair to any balcony arrangement. Coleus provides another colorful option, tolerating everything from full sun to full shade, but it is happiest in shadier spots where it will not demand constant watering. Another exceptional shade perennial is astilbe, which produces feathery plumes of flowers in white, pink, red, and purple during early summer. These plants thrive in moist, shaded conditions and provide excellent texture contrast when paired with hostas and ferns. Don't overlook the structural possibilities of small trees. Japanese maples, Acer palmatum, hardy in zones 5 through 8, are particularly well-suited for container growing on shaded balconies. These trees naturally grow in forest understories, which makes them more shade-tolerant than most deciduous trees. They stay compact, with shallow, fibrous root systems that adapt well to containers. Most varieties grow only 6 to 12 inches per year. A pot 12 to 16 inches across provides adequate space. Terry from South Coast Botanic Garden recommends spots with morning sun and afternoon shade, and avoiding hot, dry corners. The edible possibilities in shade are more extensive than most people realize. Salad greens like lettuce, spinach, and arugula actually prefer shady conditions. Lettuce thrives in cooler temperatures, making north-facing balconies perfect for spring, summer, and fall growing. Spinach benefits from shade because too much heat causes it to bolt quickly. Swiss chard adds both nutrition and decoration with brightly colored stems, and it tolerates a wide range of conditions. Herbs provide some of the most rewarding shade gardening experiences. Many leafy herbs, including cilantro, parsley, mint, chives, and thyme, actually prefer partial shade to full sun. Mint particularly thrives in part shade. Plants grown in full sun often struggle. Thyme creates beautiful cascading effects over pot edges while demanding minimal sun or water. Chives are practically indestructible, growing reliably with complete neglect. If cilantro or dill typically bolts quickly in your sunny spots, they will appreciate the cooler conditions of your shaded balcony. For year-round interest, hellebores, Helleborus species, also known as Lenten rose or Christmas rose, are hardy in zones 4 through 9, and they bloom in late winter when everything else looks lifeless. These perennials grow about 2 feet tall, rarely need dividing, and become drought-tolerant once established. Their flowers range from white and light pink to deep purple, providing color during the garden's most barren months. Creating successful combinations requires understanding how these plants work together. Add flowering impatiens or fuchsia to break up expanses of green foliage. Incorporate hostas for bold, chunky leaf appeal. Nestle ferns up against hostas to highlight their contrasting textures. For impressive entryway displays, group begonias with small hostas, fuchsia, and caladiums in separate pots. Vertical gardening maximizes limited balcony space. Use stack planters, railing planters, wall planters, and hanging baskets filled with bromeliads, ferns, begonias, hostas, and trailing vines. English ivy works particularly well draped over railings, creating lush privacy screens when planted at the base of trellises. Proper care differs from full sun gardening. Shaded containers need less frequent watering, but they require well-draining soil and adequate drainage holes. Water at the root zone rather than overhead to prevent disease in areas where leaves cannot dry quickly. Monitor for slugs and snails in damp conditions and dial back watering if necessary to discourage these pests. Maximize available light by adding mirrors and painting walls, light colors to increase reflected light. Plant vegetables near white surfaces or hang white sheets on fences to bounce more light into your garden. Avoid blocking existing light with large canopy plants and choose smaller specimens that provide height and structure without creating additional shade. Winter protection becomes crucial for container plants whose roots are more exposed to cold than ground-planted specimens. Move potted Japanese maples to sheltered, unheated locations like garages or sheds. Fuchsia hanging baskets can overwinter indoors in dormancy, so cut them back by half. Remove dead material and water occasionally throughout winter. Soil quality becomes even more critical in containers. Invest in high-quality bark-based potting mixes or peat-free compost, preferably wood-based, and blend in topsoil at a 1:2 or 1:3 ratio for improved micronutrients and water retention. The growing trend toward apartment and urban living means more people are discovering that shaded balconies are not limitations, they are opportunities. Garden Design magazine featured maximizing balconies and porches as a top garden trend, noting that many garden specimens thrive equally well in containers as in traditional garden beds. Your north-facing balcony represents untapped potential for creating a lush, productive garden that actually benefits from its shaded conditions. With the right plant choices and proper care techniques, you will join the growing community of urban gardeners, proving that limited sunlight does not mean limited possibilities. These shade-loving plants do not just tolerate your conditions, they thrive in them, often outperforming their sun-stressed counterparts while requiring less maintenance and providing more consistent results throughout the growing season.